Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today's video, we're going to be doing something very exciting. We're going to be unboxing the Spring FABFITFUN, and I seriously cannot tell you guys enough. This is my favorite box I've got so far. Like, out of all the FABFITFUNs, this box right here is amazing. It just blew my mind. Every single product in here I love, I'm gonna use. And guys, can we just look at the box? Like, how freaking beautiful is this? And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I kind of dressed to match the box today. I was like, you know what? I want to get into the spring vibe, even though there's snow, rain, and everything else gross related to winter outside. I want to get into the spring vibe. So you know what? I'm like, spring dress, spring box. Let's do it. But before we get into the unboxing, I just want to go ahead and explain what FABFITFUN is. I'm sure pretty much everybody knows, but just in case there's somebody out there that doesn't. So FABFITFUN is a seasonal subscription box. I always have the hardest time saying seasonal subscription box in one sentence together. I don't know why. And I think honestly the best part about FABFITFUN, it's filled with all full-size products. There's not too many subscription boxes out there that are like that. And I love that. I feel like you're really getting your money's worth. So those full-size products can be anywhere from fashion, beauty, lifestyle, fitness, any kind of product really. Another big reason why I love FABFITFUN is that it's actually customizable. So you can kind of customize the box to you, curate it for yourself. They do throw in some surprise goodies here and there, but I really like that you are able to pick and choose what you want. And they're constantly working with charities. I believe for the spring box, they're actually working with One Tree Planted. So for every $1 donated, a tree is planted, which I just think is absolutely amazing. So yeah, I just wanted to do a little rundown about what FABFITFUN is. Like I said, I'm sure we all know, but just in case anybody doesn't. Also, I want to say that I do have a discount code, so if you want to go ahead and get money off your order, you can go ahead and use Leah and save yourself a little money. But anyways, I think I've rambled on enough. Let's get into the video. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys a quick overview of what the box looks like. So lots of goodies inside there. So one of the first things that you get in there, you get in every single box, and this is just their magazine. So this includes all the products inside along with their prices, the charity, just like tips and tricks also. So I always love looking through this. And next we just have some coupons right here. So the first one is from HelloFresh, and it's just 13 free meals, which is awesome. And the next one here is actually from FABFITFUN itself, so it is $15 off your first box. And next we just have the cutest stickers ever. These are seriously so freaking adorable. So that's what they look like up close there. So freaking cute. Okay, and now the really exciting part, we get to see what's inside the box. I don't know what to start with first because I am obsessed with everything, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and start with these. So these were one of the items that I went ahead and chose. When I saw this as an option, I was like, oh my goodness, I need these. These are the cutest things I've ever seen in my entire life. I love the color. I love how fuzzy they are, and I like that they're open toe. It kind of just gives it more of like a springtime vibe. I actually haven't worn these yet because I'm like, I want these to be in like pristine condition when I show you guys because they are absolutely beautiful. I honestly am still wearing the slippers that I got in my winter FABFITFUN box. A little bit of a slipper fanatic, so when I saw these I was like, I need those for sure. So these are from the brand Splendid. They feel like really amazing quality, you guys. They do have like a hard sole on the bottom there, and they do come in 2 different size options, I believe. So I got the small medium, and I think there's a large, extra large, I believe, and I'm like a size 6 shoe for reference, so these fit perfectly. I don't know if I said this already, but I also just really love the color of these. They definitely give me that spring vibe. I cannot wait to wear these, you guys. After this video, I'm probably going to be wearing these nonstop. Okay, next I want to go ahead and show this guy right here. So this is the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. I don't know how in the world you say that last word, but I'm probably butchering it. But this is basically a brightening serum / oil for your face. I did keep the packaging for this, but I have been using it literally nonstop, you guys. It is amazing. Like, I cannot get over how much I love this. When I first got in the box, this actually wasn't one of my picks, so I was kind of like, I don't know if I really use that. Tried it out one night and I was like, this is amazing. I've never actually heard of this brand, but they're plant-based, no GMOs, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade, sustainable, no gluten added, no soy added, small batch made, and woman owned. So love that. Like, can we just talk about how aesthetically pleasing this looks? So cute. So it does have a little dropper right there, so you just go ahead and do a couple drops, rub it into your face, and it leaves the most glowy, moisturizing, hydrating feeling on your face ever. Like, I seriously am obsessed with this. And something else that I love about this, it doesn't have a very strong scent at all. And sometimes I feel like that's the best when it comes to face products. Like, I don't want something super scented on my face, but the light scent that it does have smells really great. I gotta say, you guys, if you get this in your box, please try it out, use it. I swear you will love this, especially if you're somebody that does have dry skin. I think you're gonna love this. It's definitely probably one of my favorite products that I got in here, and I didn't even pick it. Like, I did see it there and I was like, not really into that, but I'm so glad that I got it. Also, I think I forgot to say this, but if you're wondering how to use it, you apply 2 or more drops after cleansing and toning. And honestly, guys, I find 2 is more than enough. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to this one next, and this is actually one that I did pick for myself. When I saw this as an option, I was like, oh my gosh, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen, and it's also very useful as well. So it's just one of these reusable produce bags. I mean, you can honestly use it for whatever you want. You don't have to use it for, you know, fruits and veggies, but I know a lot of people do, and that's probably what I'll be using it for. But it'd definitely be cute as a little beach bag as well. I honestly just thought it was so gorgeous as well with those colors together. So pretty. It's like a little like ombre effect. Surprisingly, you guys, I know it doesn't look that big, but it's actually pretty spacious. I feel like you could fit a lot in there. I don't know about anybody else, but I feel like every time I go into the store, I'm constantly forgetting my reusable bag. So I figured if I have a pretty one like this, I'll have more incentive to take it, right? Right? My province has banned plastic bags, so these are super useful. But like I said, you could honestly use this for anything. I think this would be super cute as a beach bag. You could honestly even put your bath bombs in there. I know my mom actually thought of that idea, and I was like, that is such a cute idea. Think about it. If you put your bath bombs inside there and hung it up, how cute would that be? But again, I just love this, and I'm definitely going to be using it all the time. And I love how they went with these colors because it definitely does give me that like springy vibe. We're going to go ahead and do this guy next here. I did go ahead and keep the packaging, but I've been using this every single night. It's amazing. I don't know why I love packaging so much. I'm definitely a packaging sucker. It's very simple and plain and just black and white, but I feel like it looks so aesthetically pleasing. Tell me if you're the same way. Do you guys love packaging and secretly you would just want to keep all the packaging, but you're like, no, I'm not going to do that, so you don't? Or is that just me? But anyways, this is what the actual product looks like right there. Can we just take a moment and look at how cute this is? Like, come on, the color is gorgeous. So this is the Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty Body Cream. And like I said in the beginning, I've been using this every single night. It honestly just makes my skin feel so soft. It's a very interesting scent. If you're not somebody that's into those like earthy kind of, you know, spicy smells, I don't think you'll really like this. It is a mandarin and rosemary leaf scent. I don't really get much of the mandarin in there, but I'm definitely getting rosemary, which I love. I love the scent of that. I think it smells amazing. But if you're not somebody that's into that, I don't think you'll like this one. You know, it doesn't smell that strong in the actual tube, but once you put it on your body and like it sinks into your skin, the scent really does come out. But like I said, I love it, and it is such a moisturizing, hydrating cream. I like to use this after I get out of the shower or the bath. And also, Grown Alchemist is a really great brand, you guys. I think they're pretty pricey as well. You know what, you guys? I'm just realizing this right now, but does this not look like a thing of toothpaste? It literally looks like a giant thing of toothpaste. I'm not mad about it because I think it's super cute, and I love the packaging. I love how it's in like a little hard squeeze tube. I don't know if that makes any sense. You know what I hate, you guys? When you get a tub of lotion or body cream and you have to dig your fingers in to get it. I can't stand that. I don't know why. I feel like it's a little bit gross and just messy, you know what I mean? So when it comes in a squeezy tube like this, I mean, it's just so easy. Okay, so I want to go ahead and do these guys next here. So this is another item that I picked. When I saw these, I was like, oh my goodness, I need those right now. I could not get over how beautiful these are, and they're honestly even more gorgeous in person. So I haven't actually taken these out of the packaging yet, but these are some woven seagrass coasters. What? Is that not the coolest thing ever? So it comes as a pack of 4 there, so you do get different options. I honestly just thought these were so gorgeous, you guys. And the fact that they're woven seagrass, I thought that that was so interesting. Obviously, they are like a material, so I think that'll be really great for drinks. You know, when you get that like stupid condensation and it makes your coaster all wet looking and just, I don't know if that's just a me thing, but I hate when a coaster is wet and it looks gross. Oh, you know what you could actually use these for too? You could put a candle on top of there. How cute would that look? I might have to do that. Like, honestly, guys, if you really think about it, what other subscription box would have woven seagrass coasters in it? Okay, you know what? I was gonna go ahead and save this one for last, but now that I showed the coasters, this one kind of goes along with it, or it's in the same theme anyways. And it is this gorgeous woven tray. Can we just take a moment and look at how pretty this is, you guys? I cannot believe this was one of the options. Like, when I saw this, I was like, are you joking? Like, this is so cute. I love this. This is by the brand Jenny Kane. And like I said, it is a woven tray. I feel like you could honestly use this for so many different things. You could stack up your skincare in this. You could put a couple candles in there. Maybe like make a centerpiece out of it or something like that. But I feel like the options are just endless with what you can do with this. And that's what I really like about it. And I love how sturdy and thick it is too. It's actually a lot bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. Like, look at this compared to the size of my head. I have a big head, and it's about the same size. I honestly just cannot get over this, you guys. I would say this is probably my favorite thing inside the box. This, the coasters, and slippers. I'm pretty much just naming everything inside the box. So next we have these guys right here. So this is again another product that I didn't choose, but I swear FABFITFUN must have been like reading my mind because I love these. So if you're confused and you're thinking, what in the world is this thing right here? So this is a reusable beauty round. So basically what I use these for is to take off my makeup. So you go ahead, you soak these a little bit, and you just take off your makeup, and they work amazing. I have one right now. I've had it for such a long time, and it is definitely getting, you know, kind of ratty and falling apart. So I'm so excited that I got 3 more to use, and these feel really good quality too. They're very thick. These are from the brand Say, and also I just love how these look with the lilac purple. I think that's so cute. If you guys have never used these before, I highly recommend going and trying it out. These are so much better than a makeup wipe in so many different ways. They are so much better for the environment, and I feel like they also work better too. Okay guys, and last but not least, in the Spring FABFITFUN box, we have this guy right here. So this is the Islands of Italy Capri Bath Gel. So I haven't actually tried this out yet, which is kind of surprising because I'm a sucker for anything bath related. I love bath products, and this is in the scent Peach Champagne. It honestly smells so good, you guys. It smells like those little like peach ring candies to me. It's very light, like it's definitely not a strong scent whatsoever. I cannot wait to use this. I don't know why I haven't used it yet. I got in the shower the other night and totally forgot about this, and then I was like kicking myself like, why didn't you use that? You're such a moron. But next time, I'm using this for sure. And again, you guys, I absolutely love the packaging of this. I just think it's so pretty with that like light muted light muted blue. That's really hard to say. So this is 8 fluid ounces, so that's pretty good for a product like this. I cannot wait to try this, you guys. I'm super excited. Just judging by the smell, I think I'm gonna love this. All right, you guys, so that was everything in my Spring FABFITFUN box. I told you guys, this is an amazing box. Honestly, like I said, I think this is my favorite one yet. Let me know in the comments down below which item in this box was your favorite. And if you want to go get your hands on one of these boxes as well, you can go ahead and use my coupon code MorganLeah and get some money off your order. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. I'm always posting on there. If you want to see what I'm up to outside of YouTube, go ahead and give that a follow. It'll be down in the description bar below. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!